All right, the first thing we are going to clamp for our ukulele is going to be the internal ribs. The internal ribs go on the inside of the front and the back of the ukulele, and they help transmit sound and give strength to the ukulele. So what you're going to need for this is wood glue, some popsicle sticks, something to put glue on. You need the ribs, and you're going to need 12 tiny clamps. So what's going to happen is we're going to put these on top of each other and glue them. You're going to want to keep the outer text on one of the outside parts. So you don't want to glue it like this so you can't see any of the text, because you're going to want to know which one is which. So make sure when you glue, you have the outside of the text showing. So I'm going to put a little bit of wood glue on this wood. Wood glue needs to have time to clamp, which is why when working with it, you really need to do it fairly quickly, and you need to really, spread it and then clamp it, and it takes a little bit to dry. So I'm going to take one side of this, and you can use your finger if you want. I'm just going to use a popsicle stick for right now, and I'm going to spread the glue on here as best I can. So, and you don't need that much, okay? So let me do this here. So I'll show you in a sec. And again, it's not a crazy amount. So like that. And even that, I don't need that much. I'm gonna spread this down that way. You do want to make sure you get all of the space. So now, how I like to line this up is top on top. So I'm going to put that there. And I recommend doing it this way. The glue's going to leak out, so don't worry. I recommend putting it on the table, pushing it down, and then you want to align these sides together. Okay? So they're perfect. And again, you can clean up the glue as you go with a paper towel or your fingers. So that is how we're going to do it. And then we're going to throw some clamps on here. Again, I recommend we're going to use small clamps. Clamp one in the middle first. So one like that. Okay. And you're looking for if it shifted. So that doesn't look like there's any shifting. It's sitting like that. And you want to clamp the ends, because you notice there is gaps. So let's put one clamp on the end. And we're going to